Here's how to add YouTube music in CapCut. So this is going to be a very beneficial way if you are, say for example, a content creator and you want to be able to do this one without copyright. So what you're going to do is head over to your YouTube, and then we're going to open the YouTube Studio. So once you have opened your YouTube Studio, I want you to go ahead and look for the audio library found here on the left side. So you should be able to click it, and then from here you should be able to see a library with thousands of music, amazing music that you can use for free. So I just want you to go ahead and try to go over here to see which one you think fits the best with regards to your video. Say for example, this one, I'm gonna go ahead and tap the download button right here, and then what I'm gonna do is just simply drag this one, and then I'm gonna drag it over here in CapCut. So I'm gonna click or drag it or drop it here, and then I can just go ahead and basically cut the part that I need. All right, there you go. So I can then go ahead and play this one. And that is how you are going to add YouTube music in CapCut.